Hey guys, Garage Maxed out here. Today I'm going to be dropping some of the transmission fluid in the 3rd Gen 4Runner and replacing with this Valvoline Max Life. Before I get started, if you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. You did hear me correctly. I am going to be dropping some of the transmission fluid. Essentially, there's 3 ways to do this job. The first of which is you can do a flush of the transmission. So you hook up a pump and you pump out all the fluid and you pump in new fluid. The second of which is dropping the transmission pan and then replacing the magnet and the filter and everything inside. And then the last way is to gradually replace fluid over the course of a longer period of time, 4 quarts at a time. And the last way is actually what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that because I'm not sure when the transmission fluid in this truck was last changed. And I don't want to shock this system. So today we're going to drop the fluid that's in the overflow pan underneath the truck. I'm going to replace it with this new fluid. I'm going to run the truck for a while, and then I'm going to do that 2 more times, and over the course of 3 separate sessions should replace about 80% of the fluid on average, which will get it nice and clean for me. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the truck up on the lift and we're going to get started. Okay guys, so this step is actually why I wanted to do this video, to show you guys a little cheat here. What I've picked up is a little $20 electric pump that hooks up to your battery. And essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this to pump new transmission fluid into it so I don't have to use a funnel, which makes it a lot easier. So on my pump, I've got this smaller line and it's gonna go right in here. Okay. And then I've got my transmission fluid. And when you do this, what I did is I measured how much came out. Right around, like between 3.5 and 4 quarts came out. So I know that's what's gonna go back in. And this container is only 3.7 quarts, so it's going to be pretty straightforward for me. Okay, so I am probably like 3.25 quarts down right now. So I'll go just a little bit more. Okay, so I've got a little bit left in here, but not much. So I'm probably right about where I need to be. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. And then I'm going to run the truck so that we can actually check the level. Okay, if you guys look at the 4Runner dipstick, there's actually 2 markings on here. There's a cool one right there, and then there's a hot one right here. I generally don't go based on the cool one, but we'll go ahead and throw it in here and see. Yeah, you can see I'm actually at the hot line right now, but we'll go ahead and give it a second to just drain in there, and then I'll turn the truck on, we'll let it run, and then we'll check it again.
Right there. So it's right in between the cold and the hot, which means I need a little bit more. But I'll go ahead and top it off here with the pump again. And just make sure it's in that line. And once it's in that line, that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.